Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to control an Android phone from your PC. For this, we'll download AnyDesk plugin called AD1 and AnyDesk itself. AnyDesk. Let's open it. Click Activate and Allow. Now let's go back to AnyDesk. Accept, and here's our address. This address is also in AnyDesk on your PC's top left. Download and install it. Now connect. We connect and then accept the connection here. Now we can work with it, send data, or if we need the screen, click Connect. Select what you need and click Connect. Click Start. Now I can control the phone from the computer. That's all. This has been Goodbye everyone.